Okay, guys, here we are. We're going to start in Gimkit, and this will teach you how to get the upgrades that might help you to win a game. So first of all, we got to get into a game. This is an old game. Doesn't matter what the questions are at this point, but I'm joining it. And we'll just say Mark for now. Once we're in, we're ready. We're logged in, waiting for the game to start, and there it goes. Now, once we're actually in, you can see up here, again, this is why it's usually better to play on a computer rather than a phone. Up here are 3 lines, and then you have what they call the D-pad up here. The D-pad just tells you the players and where they're ranked, and the 3 lines next to it will give you the option of questions, which is where we're at right now, or shopping. So I'm going to go to shopping to show you that here first. So when you go to shop, if you look at the bottom, you have upgrades. These are things that are going to help you to score more dollars per question. These are the ones that are very good. Power-ups are fun. These are the ones that could be used. So like when people have used it during the game, the link is when you can hook up with another player and you both earn the same amount of points for every correct question. So if you link up with the person in the lead, you might get all of their extra money if they are making a lot of money at the time. It's a good one to buy. If you can afford it. So you can see here, I don't have $500. I do not have enough money to buy this. I can buy Dreamweaver, which is useless, I should say. Blur is another one that you can use on somebody so they can't really see their screen very well. The gift that you've seen every now and then, people can buy that and then give you 25% of what you have at the time. That's always been nice. And then ICER is the one that stops the lead or whoever from answering any questions for 15 seconds. So the Blur and the ICER kind of do the same thing. So just be aware of that. But the upgrades is where we're going to stick around. So money per question, straightforward. Streak bonus, multiplier, insurance. Insurance is not that amazing, so I don't know if it's worth it. But money per question, again, if it's green, you can buy it. If it's red, you don't have enough money. So at this point, I can buy level 2 or level 3 because I have $500. So I want to buy that for $100, and then that just means that I'm making more money. Instead of $1 per question, I'm making more and more money. And if you go back here to the arrow, you have the streak bonus. If you get a certain amount correct, then it increases how much you make per question. So this one, you could be making at least $100 per question if you answer, but you have to answer correctly every time for like 4 or 5 questions. The multiplier, again, is multiplying how much money you make per question. So all 3 of these, when they're used, the people who win usually buy as many of those as they can early, and then as soon as they get some money up here, they might go into it. So let's go back to the questions. And so you can always go up here to the 3 bars, and I'm just going to answer Subway. So here you can see I have -$1, but it automatically comes up with, can I get the correct answer, which might be useful in the game because you got to remember that, or continue. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and continue. We're going to get correct. Now with this option, we have the option of shop or continue. So this one, you already know the correct answer. So now you can go shopping. The shop option is the same thing as the shops that are up here. It just means that it comes up whenever you answer the question. So shop in the top left or shop here, but you have to get the question correct. So if I hit shop, it brings me back to that shop, and then I just go back over here to questions, and I'm still back in the game. So that is a quick tutorial. So again, you probably want to make use of this early and often. Go into the shop, buy as many upgrades as you can early and often, and then just make sure you don't spend too much money late in the game, because some people have been caught in that. But usually the people who win are buying as many of these as they can to get started, or whenever they can, and then as they are playing, they continue to add on with the different levels. So don't just stop at level 2 and 3. You can go up to level 8, but it costs more and more money the longer you go into the game. So that is the tutorial. Good luck with it, and I'm sure you're going to do great.